Hey, my bros, I get what I want to talk. Like, now Benin for come. Where for Benin?
Ogida.
Okay, Ogida. You know your family?
Where you go?
Eh?
Where you go?
No, I just want, at least I also go Nigeria. In case maybe I reach there without see your family. You know the name of your family?
No, that one not
Eh? No, we don't the problem. Come this side, you come this side. If you say now public today, and you just stay there, no talk. No.
I've already been sure to take care of my family. You know the situation I am in. You understand? So let me try to. Yeah, I know I'll give it the point, but.
Now good that you talk, Abi.
Yeah.
But what be the you know the family? You see, feel the member of your family.
Forget
Eh?
Forget that one.
No, not be what
I don't talk to many people. They ask me what is going on about my family. So I don't want to talk anything about this. Forget that, man. And because my family is there, I come to Europe. So the way I am, forget that I'm letting this straight to my life. So I don't want to be pinching, like to give a word of oppression, confusion, or distraction, not to understand about what I'm doing. Because I'm just here to. Maybe I greet you or what I am here for. Maybe I can't find my way. Forget about my family.
But you know,
if somebody is telling you that I'm sick, tell you that he's the one.
No, you are not sick.
So why are you disturbing me?
No.
So
You are not sick. I know.
Forget that now.
Okay. Because you know why me they talk, eh? You listen. No, that person they show person way. Me I want go house. I also go Nigeria. That's what I mean. So maybe if I go, I feel it there. That's what I mean. So just to greet them, you say may I greet your family, all those things. You understand me? So that make me they ask. And maybe at least next month now, next 2 months, you know they see me for I want go house. You my brother in case. May I just tell them say you greet them.
Solid. Every time I do, I tell you forget it. Forget it, man.
You know what may you greet your family?
I did even to my mind about 1 week ago.
Okay, you see you greet your mother?
Hey, you talk to me.
With phone?
Yeah.
Which phone be that?
How will I say it? My in Lopetori, look at it in the book. I register everything. Okay. I'm collecting my things. I'm trying to go out for this call. I'm telling you for a long time ago. So you have to.
Okay, you get the phone for there.
Yeah, the number is
or the phone number.
Yeah.
And if you give me now.
No, why would I?
You wait. We they talk like brother. You understand me? So.
Yeah, brother, I solidly.
I know.
Come to Europe, and you can help me. Maybe God will bless you.
Amen.
Maybe I may help. I may help you. God bless me. I mean, just like the way is Christianity. That's just the love I have for every one of you.
Yeah.
Because every word I fly in the air with people to feel you talk, it's like it's not okay. Maybe for long time, I've never heard it's not. Maybe it's been bad.
But you even
all those things have stink.
Yeah. You are true. You are right. I mean,
what you are doing.
You are right. But you know what you know why I mean they talk this thing. In case I go house now for Ogida, because we build her for Ogida. That's what I'm saying. Like Ogida. That is before that this thing. I don't forget the area again. That's what I'm saying. If I read there, maybe you tell me say see your family. I'll just say Fred greet them. Your name is Fred, Nabi.
Fred, yeah.
Fred. And I'll just tell you say Fred greet them. Me Fred they see every time. You understand?
Frederick.
Ikuwoje. Okay, Ikuwoje. Yeah. For Ogida. Okay. So I'll tell them. Say you greet them, you understand? In case maybe they want to bring something come for you, I'll still bring them, I'll come give you. Like all those things now, foodstuffs, you understand all those things.
My jacket, man.
Eh?
My jacket.
Jacket?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You promised me about last week, a week or some days.
Yeah. Not truth. Okay, what I'll do now, eh? Tomorrow you pass here. Tomorrow. Okay, now I'll try. May I bring one jacket come for you? Yeah, I'll try. You want it? Okay now. No worry. May I give you something?